Chicken and potato curry on the beach here in Sri Lanka. Let's go and do it. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. From Sri Lanka, by the beach, literally pouring down of rain actually today, we're going to be making a chicken and potato curry. Let's take a look at these ingredients. I've got some chicken there. What the chicken I'm using today is chicken thigh. I've taken the bone out, that one bone out, and I've kept the skin on. You can take the skin off if you want. Potatoes, coconut milk, coconut oil, some tomatoes. They're going to go in right at the end. And then here are spices. So we've got salt and pepper, and I've also got some chili flakes, chili powder. And then these two here, what we've got here are two types of curry powder. We've got a roasted curry powder, which I've got twice as much of, like maybe 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon of a regular unroasted. And then over here, onions, pandan leaves, or locally known as rampa, fresh chili, cinnamon, which I got from fresh from the plantation the other day, if you saw that vlog, so that's wonderfully fresh. Curry leaves, and that's it. All of those are fresh from the garden, the curry leaves, the pandan leaves, and the chili. Garlic and ginger, you can just use garlic if you want. It's really, really simple, this one. Let's go and do it. Okay, so obviously not in the regular kitchen today. Here we are in Sri Lanka. I've got a pot there. I've got some coconut oil happening. We're going to drop in the pandan leaves, the cinnamon, like I say, which if you saw that blog the other day, I got from the plantation, the chili, and the curry leaves, and then the onion and the garlic ginger. We're going to cook this for about 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. We're on a fairly lively heat. Wonderful stuff going on here. It's now time to add our chicken. Like I say, I've got chicken thighs, as you can see. Chicken thighs, I've taken the bone out and I'm keeping them whole. If you wanted, you could chop them, make the chicken a bit smaller. But I'm going for these kind of quite large pieces. So in they go. What we're going to do now, 4 to 5 minutes, again on this fairly lively heat. We're going to keep these moving. Wonderful. Simply, potatoes, in they go. Go for another couple of minutes. Wonderful. Now for the spices, let's take a look at those just again. So we've got chili flakes, salt, pepper, chili powder, and then I've got the 2 types of curry powder. Like I say, 1 roasted, 1 unroasted. In that all goes. And for 2 minutes now, you need to be stirring this constantly because we don't want the powders to burn. If they burn, they get bitter. So just keep it moving for a couple of minutes. Just going to add a little bit of water to this. Then we're going to add our coconut milk, in that goes. Give that a little stir. Looks absolutely gorgeous, smells amazing. Now we haven't put the tomatoes in yet. With this type of curry, what we're going to do is they just go in right near the end, stirred in for maybe 1 or 2 minutes max. So we're going to lower the heat now. Pop a lid on that. We need that to go For me, that's going to be about another 4 to 6 minutes maybe. What we're looking for is the potatoes to be nice and tender. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Looking good to me. Those tomatoes, in they go. Like I say, we're just going to stir these and cook these for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then this is ready to serve. Okay, and that's it. Absolutely wonderful. This one's quite coconutty. I put quite a lot of coconut in this one. But hey, I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.